The amount is clearly 1 cent right now, which is very important. The current Digibyte cost generally is 0.009 DGB, fall 1.51 in 7 days, which is genuinely huge. The current Digibyte exchanging volume is at 2,728,117 in a genuinely huge matter. The July 13th, 2023. In this video, we will by a large walk you through Digibyte cost examination for now, or for particularly 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these frequently explicitly got clarification on something what in every practical sense is certainly transient cost expectation. For Digibyte sort of is DGB a genuinely wise speculation, or so they explicitly thought. Digibyte support and obstruction levels, and so on and so forth, and in every practical sense large way. Yet before plunging market assessment over the most recent 24 hours there was a loss of 1.84, bringing the extremely entire computerized currency market to $105898. 6395016. So the kind of current trading volume of Digibyte truly is at 2,728,117 in a subtle way. The overall total trading volume generally stays at $28,914,442,597, which fundamentally is a loss of 1.84%. Bitcoin has 47.9% of the market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. This is why Bitcoin's price fell to $25,973.95 after a 0.78% drop, which is a lot more than other cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum, which fell 0.37% to $1,745. Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents after a 0.77 drop in value, demonstrating how the truly current exchanging volume of Digibyte is at 2,728,117, which is very large in every way that matters. These events clearly demonstrate that the market is clearly on a genuinely descending course for the present moment. One truly cost Bitcoin's cost to drop down to 25,973.95 level after a decline of 0.78 or so they usually assumed. As of now, a really broad, genuinely sorry fall can be witnessed all over the crypto market. In an unobtrusive manner, Digibyte support and opposition are significant specialized pointers used to by a large distinguished certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which generally is very large. Support generally is a level at which purchasers truly become something else in every practical sense, dynamic, and explicitly prevent the coin as costs from falling any further, which basically shows the XRP. The truly local coin of XRP generally is around 9.41 and as of now exchanging at 51 cents. In a very important way, the same kind of resistance is a level at which sellers become very active and really stop the coin's price from going up, which is a very important thing to follow. By and large are the health open opposition. Digibyte implementation DGB has lost $1.22 in the last 24 hours, which is a big deal. At the moment, the real value of Digibyte is $0. And it has a trade volume of $2,728,117 US dollars in the same time period, which is also a big deal. Digibyte Value Research DGB cost the analysis for July 13, 2023, in a day-to-day time frame shows how important it is to use a kind of relative strength index moving pretty normal union into similarity backing levels, opposition levels, and different time span moving midpoints, such as really simple moving pretty normal and dramatic moving normal, to see how the digital world is likely to change in the future. The mapped line is moving below the sign line, which means bears are clearly in control of the market in a sizable way. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 25 and truly is attempting to truly break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength exhibiting how which brought about Bitcoin as cost dropping down to 25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78, which sort of is very critical. And Digibyte certainly is presently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to generally suggest that the digital money especially is in an unstable circumstance that can't especially be corrected, exhibiting how moreover Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77 in esteem, showing how the really current exchanging volume of Digibyte especially is at 2,728,117 in an especially large manner regardless of whether the cost explicitly is falling consistently. It certainly is guessed that the two help levels will in every practical sense act as serious areas of strength for Truly and cause the pattern line to bounce back once again into the especially sure zone, exhibiting that the ongoing exchanging volume of Digibyte fundamentally is at 2,728,117, which certainly is very critical after hitting a high point in June. Bitcoin gains slow down and the total value of the cryptocurrency goes down. Market goes up. According to CoinMarketCap, the value of the cryptocurrency market as a whole grew by 10.8% over the past week to hit $1.184 trillion. Bitcoin went up 15% this week, finishing the week at $30,400. Ethereum grew by 9.5% and reached 1,890. Other big altcoins in the top 10 had mixed results on Friday, with BNB dropping 2.8% and Cardano going up 11.1%. The price of Bitcoin went back up to near $31,400, which was its high point in early June. However, the rise didn't last, and the price went back down over the weekend to $30,300. People often say that the rising price of Ryzen BTC is due to hopes of starting spot Bitcoin ETFs, which would make it easier for investors to buy and sell Bitcoin. Standard Chartered has raised its prediction for Bitcoin in 2024 to $120,000. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price has gone up 80%, but its present level of just over $30,200 is still less than half of its peak of $69,000 in November 2021. Standard Chartered, Stan.L, said on Monday that the price of Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, could reach $50,000 this year and $120,000 by the end of 2024. The recent rise in the price of Bitcoin could encourage miners to hold on to more of it. In April, Standard Chartered predicted that Bitcoin would be worth $100,000 by the end of 2024 because the so-called crypto winter was over. However, one of the bank's top FX experts, Jeff Kendrick, said that there was now 20% upside to that prediction. Kendrick wrote in a report that increased miner profitability per BTC, Bitcoin mined means they can sell less while keeping their cash flows, reducing net BTC supply and pushing BTC prices higher. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price has gone up 80%. But its present level of just over $30,200 is still less than half of its peak of $69,000 in November 2021. In 2022, central banks raised interest rates